Hi foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I made these soft fluffy pancakes without butter or oil. Yes, you heard that right. So let's get started. So first you're going to need some baking powder, a cup of milk, 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, then oat flour, which is a healthier option because it's high in fiber and it helps make the pancake feel lighter. Then a little vanilla extract, and of course you will need a sieve and a mixing bowl. If you need the exact measurement, you can check the description box below. Now into your mixing bowl, break in 2 eggs, after which you go ahead to add a 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar and you mix this properly. Whisk until it becomes foamy, just like this. Now go ahead and mix all other ingredients gently. Start with your wet ingredients. After which you go in with your flour and baking powder. Now go ahead and mix everything together gently. Note, you don't want to over mix this. Just mix until everything is combined. You don't want it to be too watery, neither do you want it to be too thick. Just this consistency. Now we move to the frying process. Lightly spray your pan with oil, just a little, and go ahead and pour in your batter. Let it cook on low heat. And once you start seeing bubbles on top, that's when you know it's time to flip it. Let the other side cook for a bit until it is nice and golden. And just like that, your pancake is ready. You can go ahead and repeat this whole process until you're done with your batter. For the toppings, I decided to go ahead with honey. You can use syrup or any toppings of your choice. Honestly, this came out soft and fluffy, and you should definitely try it. And for more simple Nigerian meals, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you for watching.